Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve WhatsApp verification code problems. First, double-check the phone number you entered. Make sure it's correct and includes the right country code. If you're not receiving the verification code via SMS, you can try requesting a call. On the verification screen, you'll see an option to request a call. Tap on Call Me and wait for an automated call that will provide you with the verification code. Sometimes, the verification code might be delayed due to network issues. If you don't receive the code immediately, wait for a few minutes and then try again. Make sure you don't have any call blocking or spam filtering apps that might be blocking the SMS or call from WhatsApp. Check your phone's settings to ensure these features are turned off temporarily. If you still haven't received the code, restart your phone and try the verification process again. A simple restart can often resolve minor technical issues. You can also try putting your phone in airplane mode. This will force your phone to reconnect to the nearest mobile tower. If none of these steps work, you might need to contact your mobile carrier to ensure that there are no issues with your phone number receiving SMS or calls. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any WhatsApp verification code problems. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe with notifications on. Thanks for watching and have a great day.